哦，即係考起我
I
啫。
see peanut, or lollipop, or monkey, or snowman. I see bush,
迷彩喎，
so I know it's camel,
咁都估到。
or wristwatch. I see flashlight, or toothpaste, or fire hydrant, or helicopter. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Mermaid 美人魚都出埋嚟。例如 Dragon 到咩啊？Alarm clock 邊忽似啊？唔係話。Hello， 我係 Carl 啊，咁咧今日想同大家玩一個好有意義嘅遊戲。咁邊度有意義法呢？就係咧，我哋可以透過玩一隻 game 咧，就訓練一個人工智能。講到好似好複雜咁樣，但其實咧呢隻 game 已經設計到咧，連小學雞都識得玩㗎啦。呢個好簡單一個 Doodles， 即係塗鴉遊戲。咁點樣訓練呢？咁啊畫嘅時候咧，佢就會透過收集數據咧，就會知道咧究竟我哋畫嘅係乜嘢咁樣。咁我哋其實咧日常生活可能都有接觸過呢一類嘅科技㗎啦。呢個叫做 neural network， 透過咧我哋人類嘅行為去學習嘅一個裝置嚟嘅。咁呢個裝置咧，其實咧我哋應用嘅方面都好廣泛啦。最早期嘅就係手寫板啦。聲音轉換文字嘅功能啦，你條眉有啲亂，麻煩你收一收眉啊！今次呢隻 game 咧就係設計到俾你可以訓練呢個人工智能咧，去知道你畫嘅塗鴉究竟代表係乜嘢圖案。咁日後可能會有呢啲咁嘅功能啦。
plátano,
banana,
自転車、
bicycle,
錦鯉、
koi,
咁我哋而家就開始試畫啦。Let's draw。好 ，draw headphones in under 20 seconds。20秒之內畫一個耳筒啦。Headphone，
I see rainbow,
佢會講嘢嘅喎。
so I know it's headphones.
哇！我未畫完就知道 headphone 咁犀利，係咪堅㗎？Draw face under 20 seconds. Face.
I see rainbow, or spoon, or potato,
Okay.
or circle,
好
or
face.
octagon.
點 face 點樣畫 face 啊？嚇？
I see smiley face.
佢有啲 smiley face 喎，但佢講唔到 face 喎，我真係唔知點樣畫 face 喎。Draw speech boat， 即係呢個快艇啊！等我諗下先，快艇應該係點樣嘅
or pillow, or watermelon,
？Speed
or eraser. I see diamond, or bridge, or sleeping bag, or underwear.
underwear。Speed ball 係點樣畫㗎？我真係唔知喎。
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Sorry, no sorry. This is my bad. Draw purse in under 20 seconds. 即係銀包。
I see suitcase, or foot, or matches, or pillow. I see envelope, or microwave,
你
or
估得
bed.
幾好喎
Or
？Envelope 喎，信封
I see book, or dresser, or sleeping bag, or
Purse.
postcard.
How to draw purse？
See school
銀
bus.
包點畫
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
？Couldn't get it. Too bad. Draw calculator。計數機。
I see
計
hockey
數
stick,
機。
or nose, or bread, or cup. I see cell phone, or beard. So I know it's calculator.
我好勁啊！咁樣就知道 calculator 我畫咗兩筆嘅。Draw paint brush， 即係呢個畫筆。20 seconds。畫筆。
I see leg, or nail, or rake, or boom, or pencil, or asparagus.
我真係唔識
I
畫
see
畫筆。
string bean. I have no clue what you're drawing.
You have no clue. Too bad. Just guess it. Just a wild
Sorry,
guess.
I couldn't guess it.
Oh my god. Neural net figure out 2 of your doodles， 淨係辨認咗兩樣，就係 calculator 同我哋嘅 headphone。佢話呢度可以咩話 ？Select one to see what it saw。係啦，可以睇到咩啊 ？headphone 因為真係似，跟住第二個詞係咩啊 ？megaphone。第三係 penguin， 竟然第三就係 penguin 企鵝，邊忽似企鵝啊？我跟住 face， 佢話係以為 potato，smiley face 係喎，有少少似 smiley face 啊，的確。hot air balloon。我 我真係唔知個 face 應該要點畫。OK，let's play again。Dragon， 哇，真係考起我。Dragon 點畫啊？
I see stairs or speed boat.
哇，
I
20
see
秒
hill
人哋畫隻
or
Dragon。
zigzag, your laptop or pond or wristwatch. I see flashlight or toothpaste or fire hydrant or helicopter. Sorry, I couldn't guess.
Merman 美人魚都出埋嚟。即係話你 mosquito。
I see cookie or ant or parrot or toothbrush or stop sign
我都唔知自己畫乜
I
嘢
see
mosquito。
or yolk or raccoon or cow. I see mermaid.
Mermaid，
Mouse.
你真係好中意 mermaid。唔知啊。
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
One flower. Flower is so easy, you know.
I see street light or flying saucer or suitcase. So I know
Yeah,
it's
you know it's flower. Airplane. Airplane.
I see keyboard or pillow or pond or screwdriver. So I know.
哇，超勁。OK，draw binoculars in 20 seconds。望遠鏡相同嗰啲望遠鏡。
More eyeglasses for bow tie or cookie. So I know it's binoculars.
好嘢都未畫完你就知啊。Draw fan in 20 seconds。風扇。
I see motorbike or bird or snowman or flower. I see rabbit. So I know it's
好嘢，好嘢，好嘢。今次估中4個，well drawn。OK，figure out both of your doodles。跟住睇下佢 dragon 當咩啊 ？alarm clock 邊忽似啊？唔係話望遠鏡都出埋㗎。包括從呢度畫到呢度已經知道超勁喎。俾人哋畫呢邊畫咗未畫完就 OK，我又畫呢個，其實好似我同呢個人畫嗰個都幾乎一樣。咁啊，隻 game 就玩到嚟呢度啦，希望大家都一齊訓練下呢個 AI 啦，令佢更加聰明啦。係啦，或者更加一啲意想不到嘅一啲新發明，我哋期待一下 Google 有啲咩新發明啦。係啊，再見。